Guys, today we're going to be talking about translating between words and math, and this is really going to be a focus on writing numerical and algebraic, mostly algebraic expressions. So, in order to do that, we first need to know what is an expression. Expression is just a problem that we would solve. It has all the operations that you've learned. So, if you were evaluating an expression, that means that you would be working it out to find the answer. And in order to do that, you would need to know the order of operations. So here it is. First, you would do any parentheses, then exponents, then multiply and divide left to right. And that's important. You have to go left to right, which means division sometimes will come first. Then you do addition and subtraction left to right. And I like to remember it with the little acronym that I'm sure you all know. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, where please is parentheses, excuse stands for exponents. My dear is multiplication and division, and then Aunt Sally is addition and subtraction. So here's a table that you will want to refer to. If we are looking at numerical expressions, we would read them with these words. So if we're using adding, you would use words like sum, plus, more than, and subtraction would be minus, less than, different, subtracted from. Multiplication, we would use words like times and product. And then this word of, so like three, in this case here, 3 groups of 5 means 3 times 5. And if we're dividing, we would use words like divide by or quotient. Algebraic expressions are no different. The only thing is that instead of having all numerical values, you will have some variables, which would be represented with letters. Don't worry about copying down this table because I'm going to give you this in class tomorrow. So we're going to glue it in. Just save some space in your notebooks for it. So let's do an example. Translate these numbers and symbols into numbers and symbols. The sum of 5 and a number. Well, the sum of 5 and a number would be 5 plus a number, x. Try this one. Pause the video and write the difference between 24 and 30. Okay, you should have taken the difference between 24 and subtracted 30 from it. Try one more. The quotient of R and 4. Okay, we're done with this video. You can go back and watch any portion as many times as you need to, or the whole thing. But don't forget to go back into the unit guide and do 2 problems from both the skill practice and the problem solving. Have a great night.